Hello all and welcome back to my channel. I am Paige and this week our craft is just some good old acrylic pouring. I actually bought two packs of these long skinny canvases that we used for our string pulls. We used 3 of them, so I have 1 remaining. My vision is pretty simple for this canvas. I just want it to look like fire. So we're gonna be sticking with the warm toned colors and probably swiping to make it look like flames. So if you're interested in seeing how our little canvas turns out, please keep watching. Here is our cute little canvas. I have my white paint for the base and then just our 3 fiery colors, red, orange, and yellow. I have this fake plastic kind of credit card thing. It may have come with an actual credit card. I'm not sure, but I like using these. They're nice and sturdy, and I believe I've used this before for a ghost swipe, but luckily for me, the width is right about the width of this canvas. So we're gonna try to use this. Our base color does not have silicone in it. All of our gorgeous fiery colors do. So we are going to put down our white just everywhere, flood the whole canvas, and get ready for our swipe. And I think I do a better job when I swipe away from me, maybe? I don't know. Worst case scenario, I have plenty of white. I'm sure we'll have enough color. I can scrape it off and try again. I really don't want to, but let's give this a go. It's going away. Of course, red. And I think I want to do yellow. And then some orange. Touch more red. Okay, we are going to swipe now. Oh my goodness, that is just straight colors. I didn't intend that. I meant for there to be a bit more white left on the canvas. Maybe let me... So I got some more white. Let's try again. This is not going how I want it to. I think what I need to do how I'm envisioning it, I need skinnier cards. So I'm going to, I hate it. I hate wasting paint, but okay. I have an index card that I am ripping into smaller pieces. I've got a couple, and I think maybe that will help me get my desired flame look. So most of this is covered now. There's red. Yellow. Orange. Okay. So let us start. 1. That was better to me. Closer to what I like. well, let's hit it with a heat gun and then maybe blow some of this around a bit. There, how about that? I think it's cool. I'm glad we were able to get it the second time around. We needed less color, more white. We're gonna let this dry, it's gonna sit, and once it's dry, I will gloss it up and then we'll talk about it. Our painting is dry and I have glossed it up, so I am actually super proud of this painting. It was really small and I know we had to scrape off the paint a couple of times, but this turned out so gorgeous. Look at that shine. Ooh, it's so shiny. There are no gaps in the paint. It is nice and smooth, and you can either hang it like this so it looks like the fire's coming up, or you can flip it upside down so it looks like the fire's coming down. It's simple, but I really love the way this turned out. So here are some shots of this piece out in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's craft. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I also have links for my social media and all the items I used in this week's video in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next one.